Well, hello everybody, and it's another clearance field trip. And look, this store actually has a table already started. We got Olay. We got that Olay coupon. You know, the 3 for 5. Look at the deal. Then we got some Shaverly. Oh, that's some nice half price. Remember, Dr. Teal's back there. My favorite, the Febreze. And we have some, but I don't know if I'll be able to get there in time to get the rest of it on Friday, or if it will last that long. So I'm going to go ahead and grab two of my favorites right now. And this is I think they're called Elementals, and normally these are $4. And then we got some Airwick also on there, the 3-pack of Airwick, and of course we have the Airwick coupon. We got a gang coupon for this, and there is the SKU number. Nescafe Classico Instant Coffee. We got some IHOP coffee. And look, lighters. Let's talk about the Jeep lighter that we just did a scenario with. And in comparison to the big lighters, because technically the big lighters will break down to be in about $1 a piece in comparison to the price of the Jeep. Okay, this is supposed to be the deal on the Jeep lighters. They have 35,000 lights. So 2 would be $8, but you'd be getting back $4. Now, let's compare that to some of these other lighters, like our big lighters. You've got 5 for $6.50. That's not the best deal. You got 4 for $5.35. You have got 5 for $5.50. Now, the difference is the solid colors and the wraps, okay? So the solid colors are your better deal. For $7.50, you can get 7 lighters. For $5.50, you can get 5 lighters. So that's definitely your better deal. And then on these big lighters right here, you have $1 earned on each one, so each one would be $2.50. These are nice little lighters for campfires. But this would make a nice little lighter for your emergency stash though, guys. And a good filler for Saturday. I found one, guys. One big easy rinse. So, we are in an older operating system store. So, I'm hoping that it will glitch and I will get paid twice now. And yes, this is on clearance. And I could have waited. But there's no guarantee that I'll make it here in time to pick up on all that Febreze out there on that table. And this amber is one of my favorites. So I'm going to use one of my Febreze coupons and go ahead and pick up 2. Because normally they're $4. Okay guys, look down here. These are already on 70%. These are containers. They're Christmas containers, but they are containers. I mean, you can store so much other stuff in these. 70% off. Let's see what they were. $4. So you're looking at like $1 for that one. That one's probably more like $7, so $2.10. I mean, guys, this is storage containers. Really, you can't. This would fit underneath your bed. to store some of that emergency food stuff in for $2.10. And there'll be $1 in change Friday. That's a thought. Alright, let's see what else we're looking at. This is just some of the items that will be on the clearance right here, guys. Now, we haven't talked a whole lot about this one, but this is an awesome time to refresh all those throwaway plastics in your cabinet, guys, because they do get old and grungy and nasty, and this is the best time to replace them. And you know, summer, you're gonna have lots of leftovers, lots of cookouts, lots of camping trips. So and this not just for food, okay? You going camping, you need a place to put semi-dry stuff, okay? You can put your stuff in one of these, pack it in a big Ziploc baggie and a dry bag, and you're almost 100% for sure going to have a dry container. Oh my gosh, brain fart, guys. But buy one and get one free. They are $4.50. Again, a great Saturday scenario item. Okay, some new spring items again. I always like to stop and check these out. I love the little casserole dishes. Okay, I got a couple of the bigger ones, but I think I would like to have a couple of these small casserole dishes. $4 for these. Hopefully there'll be some left over when it's time for the clearance sale on these items. Okay, guys, let's talk about this deal. This is a deal all by itself. Just saying. You've got a buy one of these Charmin 1150 12 equal 48 megas, and you can get a small space Febreze for free, and you have $1 coupon that will also attach, because the Charmin deal is a $1 general store coupon. So they'll stack, guys. And that's going to leave you paying like $9 and change for both those items, instead of something like $15. Okay, they are pulling tags, so they must be getting ready for some other stuff. Oh, look what is over here on the clearance, guys. The 2 for $8. Yeah, that's toilet tissue. Toilet tissue. Okay. 2 equal 8. Regular. Wow. And that's over here on the clearance aisle. So whatever it is, it will be half price. Again, we got some chick razors. We visited this place once before. I was just checking to see if they had put out anything new, and I don't see a whole lot of anything new, but I do see that Venus, that I do believe our Venus coupon will attach to. Alright, guys, I'm back at the house, and look, I got my Febreze. Well, there we go. I got my Febreze. I got my Charmin. I got my store discount, which was the actual cost of a $3.25 Febreze. And I got my $1 off the Febreze. I got my Bic razors for $6.50. With a $4 off, so $2.50 for the razors. Don't know if my earns come back yet, but we're looking at $13 out of pocket. Now, if I get my $4 in earns, it'd be $9 out of pocket. And that is a definite winner. But it's still a really good deal because, I mean, the toilet paper alone is $11.50. So, still a really good deal. So, savings of $8.25 just on one transaction. And it's an any day of the week deal. So, there you go, guys. If you need that TP, don't just go get that toilet paper. Go make you a deal where you come out with paying for the toilet paper, but everything else is free. Blessings.